Morning, guys. This is Kent and Sherry here at Blessed Farm. We're gonna walk around the farm today a little bit. Early morning, nice and cool here in Northeast Texas, and feeding the animals and showing you the garden. All right, here we go. Hang on with us and stay tuned. There's Thanksgiving. Over there's Christmas. They're doing well. A lot of our chickens got out over here and went to the neighbors. And when we feed, they come running. Here are ducks. You can see the new ducks here in a minute. New ducklings hanging out in the corner. Here's Mama Hen. Some thirsty characters. Mama Hen thinks I'm going to bother her and the eggs that she's got in there. And we're going to go in and collect all the ones that are ready to be collected. Put some feed over there in the corner for them. Get them out of the weather. We're gonna come in here and collect some cluckerberries and quackerberries. There's a little duckling. Right underneath my roost here is a whole mess though of cluckerberries. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cluckerberries. Cluckerberries, and 3 cluckerberries, and 1 false cluckerberry. Alright guys, we're going to leave you to it. See you in a little bit. Everyone's getting the drink today. And here's our bucket full of cluckerberries and quackerberries. Happy hens. All the light colored tan ones and the white ones are our new chicks. They're growing really well. All growing real well. And we got a few on the other side of the fence there. Decided to run off with the neighbors and be with their chickens. But they come back every night and go to bed with ours. Let's go check out the garden. All right, guys, you can see I've got my garden all tilled up. Down at the far end down there, we've got 7 rows of bush beans in. And up here we've got 2 rows of our corn in, and then we started getting rained on. All gonna be corn right through here. And this is our fall garlic. Been in all fall, it's coming up. It's about 1 foot tall. Next to here is going to be empty until we get our tomato plants, cucumbers, squash. It's all going right in here. And our pepper plants. All this here, there's 1, 2, 3 rows of potatoes for us. Got the golden Yukon Golds, the fingerlings here, and the 4th row over here is our red potatoes. And next to that is all cabbage down through there. You notice we started putting mulch between our rows. We got the old hay we started putting between rows. And that space to the left of the cabbage are also red onions. And on the other side of the red cabbage, cabbage again. And these plants here are jalapenos, serranos, cilantro, small peppers. You can see the cabbage way down there. And those 2 rows there to your left, far left, are our onions. And they're doing really well. So that's our good start on our garden. Thought you might like to see that. Appreciate it. So all the corn and the garlic, green beans, cucumbers, tomato plants, okra, crooked neck squash, leaf lettuce, carrots. Going over here is our white potatoes, 2nd row of white potatoes, cabbage coming up great, jalapenos, serranos, bell peppers, cilantro, oregano, red potatoes right there. Then we've got broccoli, cauliflower, and your onions right here. With 2 rows of onions. And on the far end down there, Brussels sprouts. Garden's coming right along. We'll keep y'all updated. Thanks. So there you go, guys. That's the head start on our garden and our feeding our chickens and our ducks and our turkeys again for another year. So that's our big start on our garden. That's the most important thing. Get it out there and get our food going again. We're starting to run short on our canned goods. So right in time for the spring and summer harvest. And we'll get them canned back up and put back in the pantry and in the freezer. So I thought I'd bring that all to you and see what y'all thought. Hey man, we appreciate y'all being here and subscribing and sharing with us. Let us know what you think. Leave us a comment down below, and I'll leave last year's garden start up there so you can check it out and see where we come from last year. Again, guys, we appreciate y'all being here. Man, y'all live well, and of course, and always, God bless y'all. Talk to y'all soon.